Hare Krishna. So today we will try to learn one beat that is called Tikhi Takhi Tere Kheta, Kheta Takhi Tere Kheta. T is right side, T, Khi, left side. Khi and Khe on same beat we will play. Ti, Thi, Ta, Khi. Then Tere Kheta as usual. Tere Kheta. So we are playing Tikhi Takhi Tere Kheta. Tikhi Takhi Tere Kheta. From left side we will show Tikhi Takhi Tere Kheta. Then next is Kheta.